Ka Sorkar jelak la Kyrpad ke National Testing Agency NTA ban Pynlong Biang da kawai ya ke Eksam National Eligibility Come Entrance Test Neet hadin ka jingmi ki kinrom kinram na ka jing kelas sam jikeli ya ke exam badang shudep long ha ka santerik mentau benai menteri ketran pule puthi ura kham sangma loong ba ula kren dalade ya u chairman ke NTA Pat Kyrpad ban Pynlong Biang da kawai ke exam la dalong ka bala ya ke neu loong hadin ke jingi kentu ya ke kenhun ke KSU bat JSU ha ke sengi palai lai thu bau chairman ke NTA la pentip bau danglum jing tip ya ke ke bajia ha ka por balong ke exam henry umpat aktin AA halor ke ta
It's with from Joai Center for the NEET exams. They've met you. Can you tell us more about it and what's your decision?
No, this is this issue something. If it has happened, so it's a very matter of concern. And yesterday I had also had a word with the chairman NTA personally also, and told him, inform him, and also our honorable chief minister, Sir Conrad Sangma, has also taken up the matter with the concerned authority NTA in Delhi, and also because this NEET exam directly connected with the medical department, but however this also as a government responsible, I also personally taking up the matter, and the NTA has also informed us that they're also assessing the ground situation, what will happen. They are doing their inquiry on this. So, this is that. But we are taking up the matter.
Is there any possibility for a re-examination to reconduct the exams?
So it is not in the hands of the government. It's let the NTA decide. They will decide because it's a all India level examination. So that's been conducted for across the country for many lakhs, the 10-15 lakhs students. So, but however, they are looking, they are examining the situation, what really happened at the ground. It's not like that. So maybe NTA, it is this exam is being conducted by NTA, not by the state government. So there may be some issues have happened. We have from the state government, and the chief minister also communicated and taken up the matter. I also personally have spoken with the chairman NTA, Director General NTA yesterday, and he informed me that they are assessing what they call ground reality, what really happened. They are asking from the center, and they have not communicated to us also. But since they are directly monitor from directly with the center, I think they might have seeking the report from the center only, not from the state government.
Okay, so they are assessing the entire incident.
Yeah, been told.
Did you also seek clarification from the chairman of the NTA as to why there were two sets of question papers on that?
No, this may not be the NTA directly connected, but it's a center in church who is in church center should have been briefed well, should have been trained well. I don't know whether they have briefed them properly or not. So that we don't know. I don't have any information. But let's we're waiting what the NTA decide on this.
But is state government pushing for a re-examination?
No, I have also personally requested to conduct the re-exam if possible. So they said based on the situation, they're looking at all angles. They are assessing what really happens. I think they are asking for the report from the center what really happened.
So how long will they require
I don't know, because it's a letter. We are also writing to because this is directly, health department also is taking up the matter. The Commission Secretary Health, Mr. Sabat Kumar, has already in touch with NTA.